Well, let's talk about Wavelex. Might be new to lots of customers and folks, engineers. But we introduced these with high tech and high quality. Main thing is really cost effective. In other words, it's a mini circuits price, but mill standard qualified products. Of course, we distribute by Arrow, and so we combine those two. Next. Wavelex basically is a company specialized in, we do the design, R&D, high volume production and assembly, everything by ourselves. So instead of you contract manufacture to somebody, and so we do everything in one facility. Mainly product is based on one-con technology. So all the product qualified to mill standard. And then we have offshore manufacturing. Everything is we control. Sorry. Then we have partnered with Arrow do the distributions, so that we combine a good R&D and a good manufacturing and excellent distributions network. So that's how we make it high quality, high performance, and low cost. So here it's the product family. It's just partial of them. Low noise amplifier and power amplifiers, bias T, high power attenuators, and also couplers, DC block, switches, accessories. So we try to provide markets quite different flavors, really low cost, but at the same time high performance and high qualities. So and all these products are qualified to mill standard 202G. So we basically do the R&D, all this in the US, and we do the power qualified to this standard. Then we move our own facility offshore, manufacture, then distribute by the Arrow. So some of the product highlights, for example, like these from 20 megahertz to 3 gigahertz really wideband low noise amplifiers. Here is the plot. If some of them, if you know the RF, then you see the gain, return loss. By the way, all these housing are milling machine housing, and it's made in the USA here. So here is power amplifiers. For example, like this 20-watt power amplifier, and it covers really wide band, 820 megahertz to 960 megahertz, and we have 50% efficiencies, power added efficiency. This is just one of them. So basically, we cover the cellular, GPS, then PCS, 3G. And ISM band, all these kind of power amplifier, make it really small, miniature size, and really high efficiency, high performance. Next one is 20 megahertz to 20 gigahertz bias T. If you buy one from a competitor, I mean like Agilent or somebody, you're probably talking about a couple $1,000. But here you can get really low cost, but just as good as quality performance from Wavelex. Then not only we provide off-the-shelf product, we also do the custom product. And we always have 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks prototyping turnaround time, and even in a small volume, we do it at volume, unit price, and no NRE or really minimal NREs. So quite a few customers like this kind of service. And delivery, of course, with the Arrow, and we always have standard product put it on the shelf, or if for custom product and it's 2 weeks lead time or less, then Also, it is online order, available. That's for the deliveries. So make it really convenient for most of the customers. And that will be it. And hopefully, you guys can from now on know something different, to offer. And if you have any questions, and you may ask now.
Thank you.
Otherwise, thank you. I appreciate it.